Okay, good morning. So here is the Friday. We had the big sell-off. Well, to some degree, we did sell off 20 something points, but not more than we were anticipating. We said, look for this area. So we got the sell-off down to here. We opened up in the Globex, really right here at 66. Remember, we've been really for at least a week, we've been saying the 66 to 68 area. So of course we have the 66 area, pulls up here, comes right back down, uses this 67, 68 area. So we have that. That's going to be important. And then up here, we traded up to this 78 area. We can see that we've used it over here. We've used it here, here, here. So this area was really more like 77, and the markets ended up using 78. So there's that kind of 77 to 78 area. So essentially, whichever way, what we've had here is we can back up here to the 77 area, use that as resistance right here, and then it's possible we could come down and use this 69 to 68 area. So that's possible. But if we break below that, of course we'd need to get through what we have right here. You can see there's quite a gap down. And then for now, what we could see at the open is we could see a push up here to the CPA, and we could see a short from there. Or if we can break back up above 78, that gives us some room to run. So if we break below the 69 to 68 area, that gives us a lot more room to go. And there's obviously some room from here at the CPA. And then if we could break above 78, that gives us more room to go on that side. So kind of the range there until we break 78 or 68, one of those two. So if we break out up here to the top, we've used this already over here at 86.5. So we'd be looking for 92.5 minimum. You can see this would be like a congestion zone up here. So a bit of sideways. And we could easily come up here to this top one at 3,300, 3/4. Could even see up into here. Not out of the question. But likely if we were to come up above 68 or 78, then we're going to, of course, need to break through here. All-time high over here, and then this is probably a bit of a consolidation area. Now if that doesn't happen, or if at any point we were to break and not get the follow through, then we break down, and this is, let's say we open, we come up here and we have a short opportunity, however that works out. If we come lower and we break down below 68, we already have used this 52 area, so wouldn't really be looking for that again. And then we really use this 40 and we use this 36/4. So really, if we break minimum, we'd be looking for 26. Now that might not all happen today, but bigger picture, that's minimum what we'd be looking for, and then a pretty large gap between 26 down to here. So just depending on how big the momentum and the range is and all of that. But if the thing's going to go higher, we'd want to see it break back above the CPA and then break back above 78. Otherwise, we'd want to see 68 hold. So there you have it, and we'll see you in the live trade signals.